Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. Welcome back to English class with Mr. Fizri. Okay, today is Sunday, 5th of August 2021 and our subject is English. Okay, selamat datang ke kelas bahasa Inggeris and I hope you are ready to learn. Okay, so today we still learning about vegetables. Okay, kita masih belajar tentang sayuran. Okay, look at this. Okay, so we have many kinds of vegetables here and here also. Okay, ada banyak sayur-sayuran and you can see where they grow, dekat mana mereka tu tumbuh ataupun buahnya keluar daripada mana. Okay, ada yang keluar di dalam tanah, ada yang di atas pokok. Okay, so difference. Okay, lain sayur lain dia punya cara dia tumbuh. Okay, alright, first we want to look at coconuts. Okay, coconuts. Okay, look at the question. Where do they grow? Where do they grow? Di mana mereka tumbuh? Okay, ataupun membesar di mana? Okay, so this picture is coconuts. C-O-C-O-N-U-T-S. Coconuts. Coconuts. Kelapa. Coconuts. Kelapa. Okay. Coconuts grow on trees. Coconuts grow on trees. Okay, buah kelapa tumbuh di atas pokok ataupun dikeluar di atas pokok. Okay, this is normal. I believe that you have seen many coconut trees. Okay, awak dah biasa tengok pokok kelapa dekat rumah. So, this is normal. Semua orang tahu. Okay, next. Okay, where do they grow? Di mana mereka tumbuh? Okay, what is this? Okay, these are onions. Onions. O-N-I-O-N-S. Onions. Onions. Bawang. Onions. Bawang. Onions grow in ground. Onions grow in grounds. Onions grow in ground. Bawang tumbuh di dalam tanah. In di dalam, ground tanah. Okay, so inilah pokok bawang. Okay, bawah ni onions, atas ni daun dia. Okay, so daun bawang ni pun kita boleh ambil dan makan ataupun letak di dalam masakan. Alright, next. Okay, where do they grow? Okay, what is this? This is a corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. Jagung. Corn. Jagung. Corn grow on plants. Corn grow on plants. Okay, jagung tumbuh di atas pokok. Okay, buah jagung ni dia keluar di atas pokok. Okay, dia bukan di bawah, tapi di nampak ini dia punya pokok. Okay, these are the plants. Okay, and then buah dia nanti akan keluar kat sini. Okay, kat tepi dia. Alright. Where do they grow? What is this? These are oranges. Oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E. Oranges ataupun buah orange. Oranges grow on trees. Oranges grow on trees. Okay, buah orange tumbuh di atas pokok ataupun dia berbuah di atas pokok. Okay, sama macam pokok limau di Malaysia kan, ada banyak jenis pokok limau, tapi ini adalah buah orange. Okay, buah orange. Buah orange ni dekat Malaysia rasanya tak adalah jenis orange macam ni. This is overseas, di luar negara. Okay, next. Where do they grow? Okay, what is this? This is green beans. Green beans. G-R-E-E-N, green. B-E-A-N-S, beans, green beans. Green beans adalah sayur kacang. Okay, ni kacang buncis. Okay, green beans grow on plants. Okay, sayur kacang tumbuh di atas pokok ataupun dia berbuah di atas pokok. Okay, so macam ni. Inilah pokok dia. Alright, so now, okay, I want you to answer module page 95. Okay, page 95. First, you have to write the day here. Day is Sunday. Date is 5th September. Okay, 5 hari bulan 9 tahun 2021. And then where do they grow? Di mana mereka tumbuh? Okay, so kalau tengok dekat sini ada 3 kotak. Okay, 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so sebenarnya dia suruh buat apa? Okay. Arrange the words and phrases and write sentences. Okay, dia suruh awak susun semula. Okay, susun semula. Ayat ni adalah salah. Okay, tak apa, kita tengok onions kan? Onions. So macam mana ayat dia? Adakah brown onions grow in? Ataupun adakah onions grow in ground? Ataupun onions ground grow in? Okay. So, okay, cuba kita tengok balik onions. Macam mana ayat dia tadi? Sini nampak? Onions grow in ground. Okay, onion grow in grounds. Okay. Ataupun cara mudah yang lain, kita tengok mana huruf besar. Huruf besar mesti permulaan ayat. So onions kita tulis di sini onions, and then grow in ni maksudnya dia tumbuh ataupun membesar di dekat sini. Okay, yang ada full stop ni ground mesti akhir sekali. So dia akan jadi onions grow in ground. Okay, faham tak? Okay, kalau tak faham tak apa. Okay, saya try buat saya cuba buat. Okay, sini nampak. Okay, tak nampak tulisan. Tak. Okay. Onions grow in ground. Full stop. Okay. Okay, you can write like this, Onions grow in grounds. Grow in ground. Okay. So this is the answer for number 1. Nampak? Onions grow in ground. Okay. So number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5, please do it yourself. Okay. Ingat huruf besar mesti di depan, and akhir sekali mesti yang ada full stop. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope everyone can do my homework, and after you have finished, please take picture and WhatsApp to me. Alright, so that's all and goodbye.